Uh-oh, your home is looking run down and old, with all that stuck on dirt, mildew and mold. But cleaning those high, hard-to-reach places like windows, siding and solar panels is nearly impossible. You need the Starlyf Telescopic Hydrocleaner from JML. The all-in-one telescoping wash wand that extends, soaps, scrubs, cleans, squeegees and rinses, all in one compact portable handheld tool. You can clean hard-to-reach spaces and high places you could never reach before. Safe, fast and easy. Starlyf Telescopic Hydrocleaner extends up to an incredible 7 meters. That's enough to reach and clean second-story windows and shutters, help to clean mildew from siding and fascias, or brighten gutters and trim.
You don't have to get up on the roof. You don't have to bring out the ladder. You just extend the pole, reach the areas that you can't get, and then your cleaning's done.
It reaches all kinds of places that you would normally need a ladder for. This thing will extend out, you're safely on the ground, and you can scrub to the top of your house with this.
The built-in soap chamber instantly dispenses the right amount of soap, while the thousands of dirt-busting brush bristles combine with water jets to clean and make everything look like new again. Scrub, lift and clean dirt and grime from all the nooks and crannies in brick and stonework. Help to clean marble to its original luster. Help to bring slate back to life and make vinyl look like new again. Wood siding, whether it's painted or unpainted, cleans up fast and easy and help refresh that deck, plus so much more. Use Hydrocleaner all year long, wet or dry, for any reason, in any season. Clear snow from your car windshields. Make driveways and walkways safer for seniors. Extend the handle to safely remove dangerous ice from overhangs, eaves and windows. Starlyf gives you the perfect telescoping cleaning range you need for even the biggest vehicles. The cleaning bristles are strong enough to clean bumpers, headlights, wheels and trim, but soft enough they won't scratch your car's finish. Use the thick foam scrubbing pad to clean bugs and grime from glass and delicate surfaces. Then flip it to squeegee windshields clear. Starlyf Telescopic Hydrocleaner is built with construction-grade materials, with an extension rod made with aircraft-grade aluminium alloy for long-term durability. And the entire tool weighs less than 5 pounds. So it's lightweight and portable enough anyone can use it. Store it away in your garage or the back of your truck for quick on-site jobs. Starlyf Telescopic Hydrocleaner makes even the highest cleaning jobs easy. So if your home's exterior needs to be cleaned up, don't struggle with the ladders and buckets. Clean up high and say goodbye to unreachable dirt and grime with the Starlyf Telescopic Hydrocleaner from JML. Add to your basket now.